Thank you so much for your precious time here. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today. Our thoughts are truly mind bending, filled with so many paradoxes and absurdity. If you've watched my other videos, you probably already know what I'm talking about, and you almost don't even need an explanation. Because we usually believe something very simple. We think our situations and our life equal our thoughts and feelings. But no, that's only a tiny part that affects the color of our thoughts and feelings. And that is so mind-bending because this is neuroscientific knowledge that has been known for years. You can find it in reliable scientific encyclopedias. You can even study it in college. There are hundreds of body signals that influence what your thoughts are like and what feelings you have about your situations, your life, and other people. For example, serotonin. When serotonin is low, thoughts about life can sound like, I don't belong. Other people are doing better than me. When serotonin is balanced, thoughts can feel steadier, like life feels okay, things feel manageable. And when serotonin is very stable, thoughts about life can feel calmer and more ordered. Another one is dopamine. When dopamine is low, thoughts can feel like nothing is interesting. When dopamine is balanced, thoughts can feel like this could be actually exciting. And when dopamine spikes high, the mind can start craving more stimulation. Oxytocin is another signal. When oxytocin is low, thoughts can feel like I feel distant from people. When it is balanced, thoughts can feel like I feel connected. And when oxytocin is high, you might feel deep trust towards someone. Blood glucose or blood sugar is another powerful signal. When blood sugar is low, thoughts can sound like everything feels pointless. When it is balanced, thoughts can feel more like I can deal with things. When blood sugar swings high and unstable, the mind might start craving excitement or stimulation. Another interesting one is mitochondrial energy. Mitochondria are tiny structures inside your cells that produce energy for your body. When mitochondrial energy output is low, thoughts can feel like I feel drained. Then there is ATP. ATP is basically the main energy molecule your cells use to power almost everything your body does. When ATP availability is low, thoughts about life can feel like everything requires effort. When ATP is balanced, things can feel more manageable. Potassium is another important signal. Potassium is a mineral that helps your nerves and muscles send signals properly. When potassium is low, thoughts and feelings can feel strange or unstable. When potassium levels are balanced, the body and mind can feel physically steadier. Blood insulin levels also influence how we feel. Insulin helps control how your body uses sugar for energy. When insulin swings too high and unstable, the mind can start craving stimulation or quick rewards. When insulin is balanced, energy tends to feel more steady. Testosterone is another hormone that can influence the tone of thoughts. When testosterone is low, thoughts can feel passive. When it is balanced, thoughts can feel more motivated. When testosterone is high, thoughts can become more competitive. Estrogen is another hormone that influences emotional tone. When estrogen is low, emotions and thoughts can feel flatter. When estrogen is balanced, people often feel more socially sensitive and emotionally aware. And this was just a few body signals. Scientists know hundreds of them, which means the thoughts we believe are deep conclusions about life are often the brain translating what is happening inside the body. And that is honestly so mind-bending and abundant to explore. Thank you so much for your precious time here. Thank you so much for hanging out with me, truly from the bottom of my heart. Feel free to hang out with me even more and explore our thoughts and feelings together in other videos, but absolutely no pressure. Take care, especially take care, and I can't wait to catch you soon.